Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am discussing about Power BI interview questions and answers. What is row level security? Row level security is a technique in Power BI that restricts data access for specific users based on their roles or identity. It ensures that users can only view the portion of data they are authorized to see. Row-level security works by applying filters at the data model level, so users can view only the rows that meet the defined criteria. It helps protect sensitive information and maintain and confidently. RLS is supported for both import and direct query modes. So row level security to restrict the data based on a specific user. For example, Singapore person want to see Singapore sales only. We give the access to the Singapore person to see the data. So we apply the roles and rules based on that user. It helps to protect the sensitive information and maintain the data confidentially. What are some common DAX functions used in Power BI? So DAX is a data analysis expression. It is a formula language used in Power BI to create custom calculations and aggregations. Common DAX functions include mathematical functions and filter-based functions. Some frequently used ones are sum, min, max, count, divide for aggregation and calculations. SumX, CountX, MinX, MaxX, AverageX, RankX for row by row evaluations over a table. Filter, add columns for filtering and modifying tables dynamically. These functions help perform complex calculations, create KPIs, and analyze business data effectively. So DAX is a data analysis expression. It is a formula language used in Power BI. So some frequently used DAX functions are sum, min, max, count, SumX, and CountX. So SumX and CountX for MinX, MaxX for row by row calculations. Sum and min, max are for aggregations and calculations. Filter for filtering the and modifying the tables dynamically. How can you implement dynamic row level security? Dynamic row level security allows atomic filtering of data based on the user who is currently logged in. This is achieved by creating a relationship between the user information table and the main data table, and by using DAX functions such as username or user principal name is the security filter. When a user opens a report, Power BI dynamically identifies them and applies the filter so that they see only the data relevant to their identity. This method provides flexible and automated security management. So dynamic row level security allows filtering the data based on the user who is currently logged in. Using DAX functions such as username or user's full name, the security filter so dynamic row level security is very important in Power BI. How many records can see in Power BI desktop? In Power BI desktop, a maximum of 1 million records can be viewed in the data view or table visualization. This limitation applies only to the data preview on the visual display, not to the actual data model size. Even though Power BI can store and process larger data sets internally, it restricts the number of rows displayed for performance and usability reasons. In the Power BI desktop, we can see maximum of 1 million records can be viewed in the data view. The limitation applies only to the data preview or the visual display. Power BI can store and process larger data sets internally. It restricts the number of rows necessary for performance. These are the Power BI entry questions, very helpful in the Power BI interview. Thank you.